Hey guys and girls, I'm Julia with the YouTube channel Wig Review Central. Pinkee Promise Wigs and I welcome you to this wig review of the Belle Tress SHAKERATO wig. This is from their Cafe collection. SHAKERATO by BELLETRESS is a 20.5-inch long, beautiful, heat-friendly synthetic style with layers and luscious waves. It's provocative, messy, and youthful. This style complements most face shapes. It features a temple-to-temple lace front that is sheer and beautifully done. It has a wide left-hand side, hand-tied monofilament part. Well, let's take a closer look at this gorgeous style. SHAKERATO's wig cap features a temple-to-temple, sheer 100% hand-tied lace front. It also has a wide left-hand side part. Under this fabric mesh are wefts. This holds the wefts together to provide a natural movement and stability to the style. On either side you have these velour-covered ear tabs that are adjustable. The sides and the back are open wefted for air circulation and scalp coolness. On either side of the extended velour nape are buckle adjusters, which allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to 1/2 inch. SHAKERATO's cap size is average. It fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, exactly my head size. Now this cap fits me a little snug right out of the box with the adjusters on the loosest setting, so I don't think it would work well for someone with a larger than 22-inch head circumference. However, if you're a petite or petite average, you should be able to wear this style without a problem. The heat-friendly synthetic fiber is very smooth and silky to the touch. There's no shine. It mimics human hair. And what I like best about the Belle Tress heat-friendly fiber is that it doesn't tend to tangle, not as much as some other long wigs that I have worn. I'm using a wide tooth comb, and as you can see, it goes through the fiber with ease. Now, over time, all heat-friendly fibers do require a little bit of care and maintenance. I have a video that teaches you how to easily care for your heat-friendly fiber wigs, and I will leave that in the video description box under the video where you can click and watch. Well, let's take a look at this style from all sides. SHAKERATO has a very well done lace front. It looks like a natural hairline right out of the box. It's just beautiful. I'm also happy with the left-hand side, hand-tied monofilament part. It gives the look of hair growing right out of your scalp. Now, SHAKERATO is very similar to the Henry Margaux Willow wig. In fact, Willow and SHAKERATO both have a left-hand monofilament part and lace front. Another style that is similar is the Tress California Beach Wave style. However, the Tress style has a monofilament top. I am wearing SHAKERATO in the beautiful color chocolate with caramel. The color code is 4R827. You know from the 4R that it is a number 4 dark brown root. This transitions into a mix of the color 8 brown and 27, which is an auburn. So you have a medium and chocolate brown mix. Just beautiful. Well, let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. do have styling options with SHAKERATO. It has fringe here at the front that can be worn down into the face or swept off to the side. Because you have this beautiful lace front, you could also comb the fiber back for off-the-face styling. This style also looks beautiful tucked behind the ear. And because you have all this length, you certainly can wear this in a ponytail and an updo. You can take a hairband and pull the length back. I just love the density of this style. It's not overdone, it's very natural. Look how quickly you can secure this beautiful style into a ponytail. Take a claw clip, pull the length back and give it a twist, and you have a very quick updo for a hot summer day. You could also braid the sides of this beautiful style and pull that back, and then create so many more beautiful mermaid hair kind of updos. If you have questions about this beautiful style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comment section below. Now, if you wear SHAKERATO, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Now, if you're interested in purchasing this gorgeous style in any of the Belle Tress colors, rooted or unrooted, I highly recommend the website PinkeePromise.com. You know, I have received wigs from Pinkee Promise for a couple of years now. I'm very pleased with the customer service, which is why I recommend them. Now, when you get to the Pinkee Promise homepage, scroll down to the bottom and sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase. Plus, you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review. Take care. Bye-bye.